communicate with my secret bunker.
Where else would I go? I mean,
hang on, I'm going to turn it mute. The walls have a mute button. Oh, that's better.
Thank you.
We can't stay in here for more than 5 more minutes.
What kind of a bunker is this?
I'm sorry.
It's a zombie.
But I do have a lot of cool things in here.
Well, you better.
This may look like I'm up now. This may look like a normal umbrella. But listen as I open it. It's a missile! It's a good thing there was a sunroof or we would be dead. I just closed that for safety.
Wait, so what is this?
It's a ghost. I have a ghost on a leash. I thought I'd need it, and I did.
What's he for, though?
Ghosting? Zombies are terrified of ghosts. That's not all, though. I've got more. Okay. This may look like a normal chair. Isn't it? It's not touching the ground.
Can we use this to fly over the zombies?
It only goes 6 inches up.
Oh.
And it runs on AA. Nothing kills zombies like a bazooka, am I right?
Well, I think so, yeah.
Go ahead and try those boots on.
Oh, man.
Shoot. Shoot.
Maybe a little bit. Find out why. Name one. Rocket-propelled, well, rocket boots. They don't propel you anywhere. I couldn't figure that out.
Kind of went back.
I'm sorry.
Still,
It's time okay, we've got to get out of the bunker. We've got about 30 seconds of air left.
Oh, my God.
I've got a big lever. You're going to have to help me pull it back.
Okay.
And I haven't oiled it in a while. I'm pretty sure we killed a couple zombies. The shotguns! I don't even... Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, don't worry. I brought that.
Yeah. Be careful, that one recocks itself. But wait. I'm wearing a magnetic chest plate. Watch. Go ahead, drop your gun. See if it hits the ground. Now, just for safety's sake, all my bullets come back to... Oh. Crap.
It bent!
You're gonna have to shoot like this. It's the only way now. We better get into my... I have a zombie golf cart. Yeah, I guess.
I wanted to.
Go ahead. It has doors. Ears. Hey, it's got a button. We don't get shot.
Okay, well, what's the red one?
We should run.
Alright, let's try.
Maybe I did some wires wrong. I think let me find it. Hang on, I need to see what that was. I started an engine somewhere. I have no idea. Ah, zombies! They're coming! Hey, put these earphones on, it's very horrible! Well, I can't hear either, that's weird. What? No, I used... Okay. The only thing I have left is a dagger, but it's a switchblade. It's not very big. I thought it was bigger when I imagined it.
I want you to know I brought 2 things.
Did you?
Okay?
Hang on.
I brought my shotgun, which you broke.
Sorry.
And I also have a fanny pack